Hi, everybody. This is Leslie Fordham with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm here today in Kissimmee. We are at the Creekside by Ryan Homes. We're going to take a look at the Lynn Haven floor plan today. This one starts out at $362,900 and it has just about 2,800 square feet. It has an excellent spacious floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a 2-car garage. Also, one amazing thing to note about this community here is the HOA is $80 a month. And every single house here in the entire community has a lake view, so no rear neighbors. So let's take a look. So this is the outside of the Lynn Haven. See, you have your 2-car garage there. And again, this is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And as you can see right behind, no rear neighbors for any of these houses in the community. And all of them have that beautiful conservation view. Let's take a look inside. So this is the entryway coming in. And immediately as I come in to my right, we have this perfect area that can be used as a formal dining area. They have it set up as an office area, which working from home now, this is definitely something that we are all craving. We enter immediately into our open floor plan with the kitchen to the right. We have a kitchen with a cooktop, separate microwave, double oven, stainless steel appliances. Definitely have more than enough cabinet space and counter space in here for those of you cooks in the family. This is a great island space. The living area is cozy. And immediately opens to your back covered lanai. And take a look at that view. No matter where you are in the home site, you would have a view like this. Imagine coming home to this every day. Here's the dining area. And this is all just down on the first floor. So this would be where your garage is located right now. Since we are in the model home, it is being used as their office. And we have our first full bath. And bonus room here on the first floor. Take a look upstairs. So heading upstairs, we are coming right into our living area upstairs, which is a wonderful loft space. Heading to the left here, We're coming down to our hall of bedrooms. One great bedroom here. To my walk-in closet. And this bathroom is going to serve these 3 bedrooms here. There's a lot of space here for the closet. So heading out of the bedroom here, this is our AC unit. Here we have upstairs laundry and our master suite. Tray ceilings, gorgeous. You really give you a lot of space here. I know I have a thing for the closet. I have to look all the way inside. So that would be like your summer coat closet is in her sink. This one is going to be the master closet. And also a linen closet here in the master. Full-size shower. So I would definitely want to thank you guys for coming along with me on a tour of this home here in Creekside by Ryan Homes. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 2,800 square feet home, starting at $362,900. So if you are in the market for real estate, you're looking to buy or sell, and you are here in the Orlando area or looking to move to the area, please definitely give me a call. Again, my name is Leslie Fordham. I'm a real estate agent with Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and my phone number is 407-676-4110. Bye.